everyone, and welcome back to Chloe's Cooking Creations. I've not been on my channel for a year, but things will be different. I will not be just doing festive snacks, but also bigger pastries and foods. Today we are making an apple torte. So let's prepare those ingredients. 4 tablespoons butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of flour, and we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 3 large apples that need to be peeled, cored, and cut into crescent slices. Now that we have everything, let's get right to it. There are 7 steps to making this. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, cream together butter and sugar, and then add the egg and beat. And it should look this creamy, yellowish mix. Third, shift together in a separate bowl flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Fourth, beat the dry ingredients into the buttery mixture, and it may turn out like this. Fifth, stir the apples into the batter, which will become thick and hard to stir. How am I supposed to stir this?
I was just gonna stop you.
Now that I found an even bigger bowl, let's stir. Remember, this will be very thick and hard to stir. Because my hands are clean, I'm just gonna get in there with my hands. Before step 6, take out a pie pan that is 9 inches and butter it. And I think that's all there is to it. Now, step 6, pour the batter into the pan and spread it evenly. bake the torte for an owl until it's brown. I'm an owl. Please don't bake your owl. Harry Potter would appreciate that. That is how you make an apple torte. Thank you all for watching my video. Please subscribe, give suggestions on what I should make next, and hit the like button. And don't stop cooking.